So guys, if you look on this cylinder here, as you can see, some of the cocoons and all of the butterfly them come out yet. So probably some of them not ready for come out of the cocoon yet, but see them there? Some come out and some not come out yet. I guess everybody timing different. Everybody have them different seasons, see there? Some cocoons still they're not open as yet. But yeah, that's the process of life. Look on the one here, guys. Him wing no form properly yet. See him there? Him wing. See him fall down. Him wing kinda curl up. See? Him wing kinda curl up. See them then they all over the place. The one here look like him wing them fall up. See him up on the top? So guys, we're in a butterfly season. So they were caterpillars and they formed their cocoons, and now they have been through their process and now they have turned into these little yellow butterflies. But what I want to know though, if these butterflies are these the same butterflies that get bigger and get beautiful colors, like different colors and stuff on their wings? I don't know, but I want to know if these are the same butterfly. But guys, some of them look like them dead. Look how them a flap. Poor them, they can't even manage the breeze. Some of them, you see there? Some of them dead. But some of them up and running all over the place. Them a fly. But yeah, it's them there. So what's the next process from this now? Them just gonna stay right there, so just hang on right there, so I want to know what's the next stage after this. Them gonna get big and get pretty colored wings. I don't know. I want to know. Guys, look on them. I don't like when them look so dull. It look kinda disgusting. But see them a fly around there. Some of the cocoon them don't open as yet, some of them open. So them they're all over the place. All over. Look there. Hundreds, probably thousands of cocoon and butterflies.